Hi, let's have a look at how you can connect your Accu-Chek Guide Me BZL test meter to your phone using Bluetooth, and then sync your test readings to your phone, and also you can generate your reports from here. So first thing first, what we need to do is get your BZL meter, blood glucose level meter, or BSL meter, whatever you call it. In my case, I have got Accu-Chek Guide Me, so I'll demonstrate with this meter. And go to your App Store or Play Store and then download the app called My Sugar. So this is the official app from the same company. So once you have installed, just go and open it up, and then you'll have to create an account. Once you have created an account, it will take you through the setup process. So it looks something like this. So you'll have to define what kind of diabetes it is. So I'll just do this for now. And if you are taking any insulin via any syringes or pen or pump, you can define that as well. So any pills you have been taking, you can write that down here as well. So the reading, how you want to read your reading, so you can choose any that it suits you. So in my case, I'll choose this one, and then you can define the range. Usually in case of gestational diabetes, the doctor will, or the dietitian will define the range for you. So I'll just leave it as it is for now, and it will ask you which meter do you use. So this is Accu-Chek Guide Me, so I'll check Accu-Chek Guide Me and then finish up. Once we are done, it's trying to load some data, but since it hasn't been connected to our device, there's no any data right now. So what do we do is you look at the bottom section here, or you can tap here as well, but if you, the easiest would be to tap here or go to the connections option at the bottom, tap here and then select your device. So in our case, in my case, it's Accu-Chek Guide Me, and then it gives me the instructions on what to do. So it's saying it will be synced with Bluetooth technology, and also it will automatically activate My Sugar Pro. So we don't need any subscription or anything, because of since you have purchased this device, it the pro subscription automatically gets activated. So let's try to activate this. Once it says, once it has been connected, the readings will be automatically transferred. So we don't have to do it every time we do this, just turning on, and then if the Bluetooth is on, it will, and if your phone's Bluetooth is on, it will automatically sync. Okay, let's allow. Okay, so let's go back to the connections here, and then it's giving me the instructions. So it says to turn off the meter if it's on. So let's say if your meter was on, so what it's asking us to do is, turn it off with this power button on your side. If you press once, it will power off, and long press both buttons at the bottom of the front of the screen. But it has already detected, but what you have to do is just press both of these buttons for 3 seconds until you see Bluetooth icon on the device. So now you can see the Bluetooth is beeping, it's ready to pair. So it has already appeared here. So I'll just go and tap on this, and then there's a code on the back of the device, so we will need that code, and then tap on enter pin code. So tap on pair, and then you can see it says okay, and as you can see, it has said it has imported 40 values, and it has successfully connected. So if I go to the charts here, it will give me my readings. So like here, it's giving me all the readings that I have. Now I found out why this phone didn't have the option to export, because I have activated the device in my other phone previously, and then I was just showing this on this phone just for the sake of this video. So that's why. So it will appear something like this. So you don't need any subscription, is once you have connected your the testing device, it will automatically activate the PDF version, and then you can just tap on the reports and then it will generate reports for you, which is very informative report actually. And then you can open it up and then it gives you all the ratings. So as you can see, it has activated the pro subscription once this device was connected to the phone. Whenever you want to import reading from your meter to your app, what you do is open up your app and then go to your connections, and let's turn on the meter and wait for a while. It says 2 minutes ago, as you just saw, it automatically synced because my phone's Bluetooth was on, and then it just synced from the device itself. So in case it doesn't sync from your meter to your phone, you might try making sure that you have got Bluetooth on, or try disconnecting and connecting again, and then it will work for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.